Seshafere kanjani bafethu, it's your boy CK Mr. SWKAY. You know what it is, the Fresh Prince from Ngada Mambiza Marafandak Singai Sotra. I'm not alone, I'm with the Daily Sun and Cadbury. Krenshap, we are celebrating the small wins. Krenshap, what are those daily wins that you celebrate when yourself? Mhlambe, you've nailed that exam. Mhlambe, you didn't miss your taxi. Just share your story, and who knows, I might give you a little treat because Tina Ngaye Cadbury we are unwrapping ubumnandi every day. Young tall. So asisiza ukuthi Krenshap abantu basemsotra bona bathini. What are the stories? Just tell me, what is that small win that you feel like celebrating today?
Yo, I want to put me effect that I'm kalanga today. I got today. Tabaka fail. I got la I'm all good.
Namhlanje kusho ukuthi ngijabule kakhulu, ngivuke ngihappy ngokuthi nje bangifakele imali usister wami. So now ungifakele 1.5. So I'm so happy.
That small win that I feel like celebrating today is ukuthi ngikwazile ukuvuka namhlanje kuseni noNkulunkulu uyokwazile ukungivusa. Ayikho enye into engiyibongayo kunokuvuka.
Hey man, that's so profound. Shout out my dog.
Ngiyakhithi room and garage Orange Farm.
Okay.
Yeah. Taramuthengi indlu then mina ngakhithi room and garage and sebayiqedile khona manje.
I know ayasebenza kepusha almost like asakudlalo.
Umntana wami uphasile grade 3 term 3.
Oh no.
Yeah, ngibuyela the report.
That's definitely something worth celebrating, yeah?
Yes it is.
Small win engifuna ukuyicelebrate today ukuthi ama-twins kamama aphasile oyi2.
Oh, I'm a twinsy.
Yeah, ama-twins.
No, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Nah, that's beautiful, man. I'm definitely sure that's worth celebrating. Ne?
The gift of life.
Oh, that's beautiful,
Yes.
my love. That's beautiful.
Priceless.
What is it about the gift of life that you feel like celebrating namhlanje?
Being alive and healthy.
Bayele only the malento lena ama couch ngithola.
Nice.
So yeah, I think like a big win for me.
Present son.
Present side.
Thank you, Jayam. Nah, man, that's so sweet, my dog. I really like people like you, Jayam Yangton. You guys deserve something smooth, something to celebrate as well as a small win. Bamba kanje wena Jayam, unganrephele yona, ungithestele yona, ungitshela ukuthi Krenshap is smooth kanjani ethangeni lakho. Yeah?
Cadbury my size.
Smooth, ne?
Ayifani nalawa amanye.
Ayifani nalawa ma. Smooth on the tongue?
Abona mfethu. Abona mfethu.
Smooth Jayam.
Mnandi dide.
I'm rapping every day.
Hi, I'm rapping nice everything.
Yes, sir, Mzansi. Soweto came out in numbers. They came with the vibes. They came with the ubuhle. They came with everything, Bafethu, and they shared their stories that were worth celebrating. It doesn't matter ukuthi Krenshap story sakho sinjani, whether it's big or small, as long as it's worth celebrating with Cadbury my size. So now, Elapekaya, Krenshap, what is that small win that you want to celebrate with Cadbury my size? Otherwise, mina sengiqedile la emsotra ngifuna ukubona ukuthi Krenshap ngara ePitori bathini, Krenshap ngara kuphi bathini ngeitori zabo. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi Krenshap, what is that small win that you want to celebrate with Cadbury my size? Mina kama nami CK Mr. SWKAY. You know what it is, the Fresh Prince from Ngada Mambiza. I'm saying out. Dago.